Alright, what's up guys? We're at the first stop of the day. So this is the commercial premises we've been working on for Abbey House Dental. I'm sure you remember. A beautiful entranceway's under there, all covered up. So we're supposed to be doing decorative pebbles and things today, but it's a bit of a mess. There's cables everywhere.
Bits of door, bits of toilet, whole toilet there.
So we're wondering about cancelling that part of the project for today. Just a bit strange, really.
It's not always sunshine and rainbows at Matipo.
No.
Sometimes you get a site like this, and unfortunately, as businessmen, you can't put up with it. It's going to hinder us.
Yeah.
We want to give a flawless product. We want to give the best service, but we can't do that if we're hindered. Anyway, we're going to hit the road, catch around people.
Alright, what's up people? So we had a slight change of plan. The site just wasn't ready for the planks or decorative stone installation. So we've had a change of ideas. We're nearly at Sunshine Supplies. We're just entering the district of Warrington, and we're still picking up the plaque. We'll install that today, and hopefully we'll be able to meet our commercial client, just explain what's going to have to be done. But yeah, that's all good. Nice little Matipo roadie. It's going to be a big old grind today to try to get it all done. So take the positives from it. We can do it in a two-pronged attack now.
We can. Yes. We're still going to have to go get plans for all the project.
Yeah, so we can just do that in the same run. It's all about trying to be efficient. As you can tell, efficiency is what we're all about. Look where we are now, on my Buddha! Our favourite place in the world. We're in Warrington. Sunshine Supplies. Price is starting at $16.50 per square metre. Here we are.
Boom. Apologies, I watched the last vlog back. I didn't realise that zooming in made that clicking noise. I wouldn't have done it so violently.
So vigorously.
So yeah, apologies from me. Every time we come here, he's changed, he's made progress, got new orders in. Awesome.
Absolutely.
Right. Let's see the man himself.
Let's go explore.
Look at that. Beauty. So this is our plaque. Dark granite inlaid with light. This has been jet cut with water, so it's precision to the nil. Look at that. Perfect. Happy, George?
Very happy. That is absolutely amazing. This is the exact sort of stuff we like to do.
Bespoke. One of a kind.
Amazing. Absolutely amazing.
And
then this will be the exact width of 3 planks, so all the lines will work perfectly with the joints.
Just got to install it now.
Yeah.
Now I'm just going to show you a small demonstration about different stones, about the different strengths. So as you know, you have your more porous stones like your teakwood, your rainbow and your mint. Then you have your harder stones like your candler grey, your Raj greens, rip and buff. So this is a much more porous stone, which means it is much more prone to green, algae growth, cracking, so we tend not to use them. But I'm going to show you the different strengths, differences of the stones. So this is your teakwood, boom, easy. And here's your candler grey, your harder stones, no breakage. So there you go. That should answer some questions as to why we don't use soft stones. So people, now you may be looking at this riven sandstone and think, wow Jack, that's super thick. It is. Do you know why? If not, I will tell you. It's because it's for driveways. So this is the driveway packs. If you want to have that continual in-out flow, yes, from the front to back, got to go for the thick stuff. It's got to support a car. Yeah. Super heavy. Got some other nice little sets here. That's one of my favourite, but they only sell those as sets and wall cladding. They don't sell them as a slab.
What's up, my Buddhas? This, I know we've probably touched on it before, but this is a bull nose. You can see that curvature edge. I believe it resembles a bull's nose, perhaps. Black limestone bull nose step. You can see the thickness of it, obviously to take the weight of step. They're installed slightly different. Could have a hollow centre, depending on the installation method, so they're a bit thicker. bullnose. Super heavy. So yeah, beautiful. Black lime, tumbled, bullnose step. Fantastic. Alright, what's up guys? It's been a mad day for us, but we're back on site. We've talked to the business coordinator, Stacy. So yeah, she's been helping us out with this. So they're happy with the positioning. There's the new plaque. Obviously we're going to cut that in and bed it down. So you've got some really nice detail. The black plank running onto the black plaque. Nice little joins down this side. Clean joins down there. I think it's a bit busier as it goes on.
Very tidy.
It's going to be good, isn't it, mate?
Very tidy.
Quick little tip for you. What we're going to use to mark it, Jack Dini.
What are we going to use to mark it, George?
I will tell you, my friend. Welder's chalk. This is a little tip we picked up from one and only Chris Ayres from Sandstone Supplies. Big up the Chris man. So yeah, this is how you mark it. So then when the grinder's spinning, it's not going to rub this off or blow it off. Works in the water. So we're just going to mark our edges. We've got this plaque made up perfect. Oh my Buddha! Jack's having a nightmare. So we measure this plaque up to be perfectly 3 plaques wide, including the grout join. So I planned this previously. Can't say we're not triers. Look at that. That's beautiful, that is. Fantastic. So we're putting a brand new blade on the grinder. We decided to use a 4-inch grinder on this rather than the steel saw, just because of how intricate it is. And that way we can get our cuts right the way up to the edge. And we've got some pave tough grout with us as well, so we'll be grout on this, SBR on this, doing a little mix, getting it bedded in. But yeah, it's going to go well. Super excited. Time lapse. People, full wet bed, nice and fluffy for a nice tap down. SBR plaque, engage the plaque.
Boom. Bit high.
Tap it down.
Boom. Boom, baby.
Please, please, bit of droppage. Go on. Go on, lad. Nice. Look at that. YouTube family. Oh my Buddha. Alright, time to grout now. Alright, what's up guys? Finished the plaque installation. Just had a great chat with our client. He's absolutely over the moon. So we're going to leave this to breathe overnight.